I know how this works, Captain.
Not this time. They gave Hadir to the Russians.
They'll kill him.
If he's lucky.
Looks like you saved the free world again, Captain Price.
Hadir located Barkov's lab in eastern Georgia.
Gas factory.
He had plans to destroy it.
Hadir's fucking crazy.
Yeah, but we're a little crazy, aren't we? Isn't that right, Alex?
Affirmative, sir.
With your help, we can finish what he started.
You're a good friend, Captain. And the worst enemy, I'm sure. But I do not cross borders and invade. I defend my people here at home.
Well, sometimes the best line of defense. It's all there. Plans, personnel.
I see. A militia with no ties to the West could carry out this mission.
And they'd all blame the terrorists, wouldn't they?
I knew I could trust you. If Barkov's there, he's mine.
This is a covert operation to destroy Barkov's gas lab. Nikolai's on the inside. He'll provide the explosives. 2 teams will infiltrate. Garrick and I will plant charges on the pipeline. Farah and Alex, you'll get a detonator from Nikolai and rig the main furnace. When the charges are set, get a safe distance and bring it down. That support from Laswell paves the way. The rest is up to us.
Troops in the open outside the bridge. Copper fire.
Good kill, Watson. Good kill.
Bell's rung. Let's see who's on.
Laura! Yalla, yalla!
Perimeter's open, Kate. We're moving in.
Handbrake control to you now, 3-1. Air assets are all yours.
Copy. Good on you, Kate.
Have the con, 3-1. Shoot smart. Watch her out.
Back up!
Jaguar 47, second 3-1, call for fire.
Echo, Jaguar is ready for tasking. Mark your target.
Gunners on the lead! Drop it! He's loud!
Contact. Weapon proof. Jaguar reloading. Echo, Jaguar is on station. Standing by for your mark. Mark, get down. You got a group of 3-1, Jaguar is moving up for reload. Stand by. Enemy healer! Down! Echo, Jaguar is ready for tasking. Mark your target. Weapon loose.
Suspect on target.
Echo, Jaguar is weapon safe for reload. Everyone! 3-1, Jaguar is back to the AO, ready for targets. RPG! Mark, get down. LMFks down! Enemy helicopter inbound! Take it down! 1 Jaguar is Echo, Jaguar is ready for tasking. Mark your target.
Reload destroyed.
Over the hill! 3-1, pull for post there, now! Weapon proof. Got a group of Jaguar is on station, standing by for your mark.
Give me cover! Understood!
One enemy KIA.
In the road! Reloading!
Cover me! By the bunker! General Barkov! He's here!
Let's make sure he never leaves.
Understood!
One behind the tree, to the east!
Confirm visual!
Give me cover!
Over by the concrete barrier! Soldiers!
There! In the trees!
I don't see them!
Yalla! Go, go!
Understood!
Understood!
Soldier! On the roof! Fire! Yalla! Go, go!
Understood!
More targets, northeast! Rocket aircraft, coming hot!
They're on the run! I see them!
Hella! Let's go! Enemy by the wall!
At the crane!
I see them!
Understood! Reloading!
Stop them! Copy! I see them! Wafu, hold your fire!
Copy!
Grenade!
Let's go! Move your arms!
Run them down!
Give me cover! Pick him up!
Enemies on the road!
Clear.
Rally on me! Echo team, this is your start line. Fight your way to Nikolai for the charges!
That's done. Barkov can use the gas. Look, the workers are leaving.
Let's go to work.
We'll get them.
They're well armed for a lab.
We're getting it all. Petro.
Everyone, fan out! What's up?
Let's go with the other team.
Moving up, second level!
Следи за этой дверью! Cover me!
Heading to level 3.
Let's go! Outside!
Soldiers in the open!
I got it! That's him!
Alex! Tara!
Nikolai.
Come quickly, get their charges. The detonator will start the chain reaction.
Load the furnace, the rest follows.
Correct. Don't lose it.
Why help us?
Barkov is a stain on my country. It will not stand.
Спасибо, Nikolai.
I'll take the rest to Price and Sergeant Garrick. See you on the other side.
We're taking casualties!
He's scared shitless.
Let's get to the furnace!
In front of us! Yes, there! Fire! Use the button! Activate the gun! Cover me!
He's out of cover!
In the doorway!
Прикрой меня! Понял!
Big boy's down!
We're getting close!
Otta, we've got a problem.
What is it?
Echo, this is Actual. How copy?
Send traffic actual.
Got eyes on General Barkov. I say again, Barkov is moving to the helipad.
Echo is approaching the furnace now, actual.
Set your charges and move.
Roger, Echo out.
The furnace is through here! There's the door!
On it.
Clear! What happened?
Detonator's fucked.
It's dead. I'll go in there.
And do what?
Ignite the furnace.
You'll never get away in time.
I know what I'm doing.
Farah, listen to me.
No, you listen to me. Because of this poison, my people have known something worse than war. I did not come this far to turn back.
I'm not asking you to turn back. I'm asking you to give me the order.
I won't do that.
Commander, please.
I am not your CO.
Then who is? Because someone needs to light this fire and someone needs to kill Barkov. And you can't do both. I've had an assignment my whole life. This is what I believe in. Give me the order.
You are a freedom fighter, Alex.
You're a born leader, Farah. Say the word.
Go.
Yes, ma'am. Good luck.
Southwest, look!
Bravo, Echo is set at the furnace. Farah's going for the general.
Roger, Echo. Fighting to the pipeline now.
Set, Sergeant.
No ROEs now, huh, Captain?
None at all. Stolen with that sniper. RPG, left side!
Enemy behind!
Use the box for cover. Pushing Kyle! Steady there! He's using a weapon. Clear him out. Give me cover! Bravo! On me! Pipes lead this way, let's get this done!
Yes, sir.
Alright, set the charges, let's go!
Pipeline charge is hot!
I'm fucking out. Farah, Nikolai, where are you?
Мне все равно, сколько сейчас времени! С Москвой мне связь! Быстро!
Say again. Barkov is wheeled up.
Скажите им это, генерал Барков!
Farah!
Я не буду
Stand by.
игнорировать!
I've got
Все
eyes on.
равно, сколько сейчас времени! С Москвой мне связь! Быстро! Скажите им это, генерал Барков! Меня трость! I'm still here, Father. Still alive. Still killing rats. told your father a long time ago. Your country.
I am not a terrorist. I am Karim.
What's the status?
Captain, Barkov is dead.
Roger that. Alex, charges set?
Affirmative, sir.
Alex,
I'm not getting out of here. Let's do this.
thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
All clear, Captain.
Roger. All stations on my mark. 3, 2, 1.
Karim! Mother Russia would approve. Where to?
Urzikstan. Home.
Tea.
Yeah, well, I'm a long way from a proper pint.
Russia disowned Barkov.
Well, they didn't have much choice, did they? He's dead.
You took a big bite out of that problem, John.
For now. But left unchecked.
It won't be. General Shepard pulled the files you asked for. What exactly is this about?
A task force.
We already have loose ends.
Then I will tie them.
I can fund assets, not outlaws.
Enjoy the tea, then.
Sakayev wants Barkov's throne.
I almost buried him in Pripyat with Macmillan.
That was the father. This is the son, Victor.
Lovely family.
They're big fans of Hadir's.
Well, that would explain why he's still alive.
They're gonna get him out.
Then give me what I need.
Who's your crew?
Sergeant Garrick.
Kyle?
They call him Gaz. He never said anything. John McTavish, SAS, sniper, demolitions, goes by SOAP.
Why?
It's classified. There he is. Simon Riley.
There's no picture.
Never. Now the rest. That's neat to know. Unless we got a deal.
What are you calling this task force?
141.